Day 22 of the circuit breaker, and I have a brand new unboxing video to share with everyone. It's a huge box. Let me just show you guys. So today I'm unboxing the Wicked Edge Pro Pack 3. I had no idea it would be so big, but let's not waste any more time and let's just jump into the unboxing video. It comes in this very hard case. Even the case is branded. It's Nanook 950. As you can see over here. So this is a Wicked Edge system. It's going to be quite convenient for me to just carry it all over the place if I need to sharpen the knives. Okay, now let's look on the inside. So, oh, look at all the goodies inside. Wow. This is the model WE130. These are obviously the strapping stones. Just take this thing out. Alright. There we go. Alright, so now I have it all set up. You can see over here. Oh god, breaking into a sweat. Okay, first up, let me just see if I can just do a very quick demonstration on how we can sharpen a few blades, starting with the really dull ones that I have. But let me just rearrange this carrying case first. So basically they've arranged stones in this manner. This is the lowest grit, the roughest one, followed by the smoothest one right at the top. Fine 1,500. Very thoughtful. This is the Wicked Edge Pro Pack 3. I have the digital gauge, so I've already zeroed it on a flat surface. Let's jump into sharpening some of my more blunt knives in the kitchen. And these stones actually have quite a bit of a weight to it, which is great. I'm gonna start with 100, 200 stones. 100 and the 200. Let's just go with the 200. Oh, careful when you release the clamp. So you can see that right now the knife actually has a very nice edge to it. Let me just clean it a bit. Now for the keel test. Okay, anyway. If you're a fan of Forged and Fire, you would know who says that all the time. So this is the knife that I just sharpened, so let's try. Ugh, terrible. I am gonna be honest here, okay? This knife has never been so sharp before, and considering that, you know, I just unpacked all this and just dive into a demo straight away about on how to use the Wicked Edge. Obviously, I'm still very terrible at this whole sharpening game using the Wicked Edge system. But with the results, or with this result that I'm actually getting on this knife, it's actually quite incredible. Now we're talking.